It's Saturday, November 29th, and here is your No Jargon overview of everything you may have missed in business and finance yesterday. This week ended on a strong note. Yesterday marked the fifth straight day that the stock market has been up. Friday was a shorter than usual trading day with the stock market closing at 1 p.m., but all three major indices, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ, were all up more than 0.5% yesterday. The S&P 500 actually gained more than 3% this week, and this means that for 7 months in a row, the S&P 500 and also the Dow have had positive months with gains. The NASDAQ, however, was down about 1.5% this month, which sadly ended its 7-month streak of positive months. Most industries were up on Friday, especially energy companies and consumer discretionary. So think businesses that sell things like clothing, entertainment, travel, things people want, but that aren't necessities. The only industry that struggled on Friday was healthcare-related companies, which were down a little bit. The main reason the stock market was up this week was due to interest rates and the Federal Reserve. Based on recent comments from Fed officials, Wall Street now thinks that there is an 86.4% chance that the Fed will choose to lower rates next month, which is seen as positive for businesses, consumers, and the stock market. Precious metals also had a strong month too. The price of gold has now risen for 4 straight months and is selling for over $4,200 an ounce. Silver set a record high on Friday, hitting over $56 per ounce. Another big story this month is that the AI boom is shifting, not disappearing, just changing. Some of the original AI superstars really struggled this month, so Nvidia fell almost 16%. Companies like Oracle and Palantir, who had just seen huge increases in their stock prices this year, also saw their stock prices decline by a double-digit percentage. But a slightly different group of AI-focused companies are seeing their stock prices go up instead. So Google's parent company, Alphabet, jumped almost 14% this month, fueled by excitement around its new AI model Gemini 3, and by the possibility that Alphabet may sell computer chips to some of the other large AI players. Other AI winners this month included Analog Devices, Broadcom, Western Digital, and more. So what's happening? People are moving money away from some of the early AI leaders who saw their stock prices absolutely skyrocket earlier this year, and they're putting that money into companies that they think are undervalued or that they think will be the next wave of AI winners. So just a bit of reshuffling in musical chairs in the AI world. A few company highlights from Friday. Eli Lilly, the first healthcare company to ever be worth $1 trillion, slipped slightly after months of strong performance. Intel jumped more than 10% after talks that it might start making computer chips for Apple in the future. Walmart stock was up ahead of Black Friday. Retailers expect over 186 million shoppers between Thanksgiving and Cyber Monday this year. Monday is the first trading day of the final month of the year. It's going to be an exciting month. Get ready.